Given that alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x squared minus x plus 6 equal to 0, find the quadratic equation with roots alpha minus 2 beta and beta minus 2 alpha. Take solution. First thing, we are going to start by comparing the quadratic equation 2x squared minus x plus 6 equal to 0 with the general form of the quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Comparing them, our a will be 2, b negative 1, and c is 6. We have been told that alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation. We need to find the sum of roots, which is abbreviated SOR, that is alpha plus beta. We know it is equal to negative b on a. This will simply be equal to negative 1 over 2, and this will give us a half. Next, we need the product of roots, that is alpha times beta. This is simply equal to c over a, which is equal to 6 over 2, and 6 over 2 gives us 3. We have to find the quadratic equation with roots alpha minus 2 beta and beta minus 2 alpha. We are going to start by finding the sum of new roots and the product of new roots. The sum of new roots, which is abbreviated SNR, we have alpha minus 2 beta plus beta minus 2 alpha, and this will be equal to alpha plus beta minus 2 beta minus 2 alpha. You can express this as alpha plus beta minus, we can factor negative 2 times alpha plus beta, and this will be equal to, we know alpha plus beta, the sum of roots is a half, replace it with a half, minus 2 times a half, and this will give us a half, minus 2 times a half gives us 1, a half minus 1 gives us negative a half. This is the sum of new roots. Next, we need the product of new roots, which is abbreviated as PNR. We are going to take alpha minus 2 beta times beta minus 2 alpha. This will be equal to, we have to expand the brackets. Alpha times beta gives us alpha beta. Alpha times negative 2 alpha gives us negative 2 alpha squared. Negative 2 beta times beta gives us negative 2 beta squared. Negative 2 beta times negative 2 alpha gives us plus 4 alpha beta. This will simply be equal to alpha beta. We can factor negative 2 times alpha squared plus beta squared plus 4 alpha beta. Next, we have to find alpha squared plus beta squared. We make use of the expansion of alpha plus beta, all this squared is simply equal to alpha squared plus 2 alpha beta plus beta squared. Then, if we make alpha squared plus beta squared a social formula, alpha squared plus beta squared will be equal to alpha plus beta, all this squared, minus 2 alpha beta. We are going to transfer this to the left. Inserting it here, this will give us alpha minus 2 beta times beta minus 2 alpha, which is the product of new roots, will be equal to alpha beta minus 2 times, we have to multiply all this by 2, alpha plus beta, all this squared, minus 2 alpha beta, close the bracket, plus 4 alpha beta. This will simply be equal to alpha beta plus 4 alpha beta gives us 5 alpha beta minus 2 times alpha plus beta, all this squared. Negative 2 times negative 2 alpha beta gives us plus 4 alpha beta. 5 alpha beta plus 4 alpha beta gives us 9 alpha beta. This will give us 9 alpha beta minus 2 times alpha plus beta, all this squared. Now we are going to replace alpha beta with 3, 9 times 3 minus 2 times alpha plus beta squared, a half squared. This will be equal to 9 times 3 gives us 27 minus 2 times a half squared gives us 1/4. This will simply be equal to 27 minus 2 times 1/4 gives us a half. We can express 27 as 27 over 1. The LCM of their denominators is 2. 2 divided by 1 gives 2 times 27, 54, minus 2 divided by 2 gives us 1 times 1, 1. This will be equal to 53 over 2. This is the product of new roots. The equation with roots alpha minus 2 beta and beta minus 2 alpha is given by our new equation. We make use of take x squared minus, we take the sum of the new roots times x plus the product of the new roots, and this should be equal to 0. This will simply give us x squared minus the sum of new roots is negative a half times x plus the product of new roots, which is 53 on 2. This is simply equal to 0. This will give us, if we multiply both sides by 2, so as to eliminate these 2's from the denominator, this will give us 2x squared. We know the negative becomes positive, plus 2 times a half gives us 1, plus x, plus 2 times 53 over 2 gives us 53 is equal to 0. This is the equation with roots alpha minus 2 beta and beta minus 2 alpha. We underline the equation. We are done with the solution of the question. If in case you have any worries, you can check our lessons on the theory of quadratics. You watch them, you will learn so much on this. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.